What's up, guys? Making our way up to the creek. Trying to do a little fishing on Floodtide today, except we can't find the flood. So we just moved spots. First spot, we just kind of sat in some grass in the boat for a long time. I think we got a spot now. I think we got some action. You guys stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of Redfish Blue Tail. Guys, so we switched locations. The first spot we were there for a hot minute, and it's just, if you're not seeing something and the water's not there, just move. And we made a move. We debated, we're like, should we go? Do we want to waste the time? Should we go? And first spot, we pull up, and I got a tail probably 30 yards directly right over there. And I mean, he hit a topwater, and it was like, and both of us were like, oh, we just kind of pointed at the same time, like, fish over there. So AC's gonna go after this one. He's been pushing the boat, so he deserves that first one, and hopefully I can get it on video. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we got a fish right off my rod. AC's fly is coming right across him right now. Yeah, it's right there. Fish is on it, fish is on it, fish is on it, fish is on it. He stopped. Fish is chasing it. Fly's here, fish is there. Yeah, he lost it. Fish is right here, guys. Fish is going this way, though. Nice cast, AC, nice cast. That's all right, he's coming this way. He's gonna have to make a decision. Oh my God. Nice cast, dude. Oh. I don't know where he went. All right, guys. I think there's a creek that kind of comes in right over here. I'm just going over here to investigate. I just heard a little pop, pop, like a fish was getting, like a big fish was eating a small one. Very distinct sound out here. And I was thinking it was right here. This looks like where the creek is, so it should kind of get a little deeper right here. Got a little bait fish running around here, which is nice. Oh, there he is. I told you guys. Oh my God, guys. Hey, AC. I don't have a grub. I did not put a grub on my fucking line. Oh, there he is. He's right there. He's coming right at me. You can see his back out of the water right there, guys. He's kind of coming right at me. Don't get my reel in the water. Like, what am I doing here? Do you have a shot? I don't have a grub. Yeah. I mean, I was just gonna cast this thing in front of him, see what happened, but What an idiot. There he is right there, guys. Don't spook it. I got eyes on him. He's right here. It's a nice fish. You guys can see the swirls over there. AC's cautiously coming this way just because he doesn't want to go hauling ass. You'll spook him. And I got to keep my eyes on it. I looked away. Right in here. Oh, I can see him underneath it. I can see the ripples underneath. He's over there now. Oh, you do? Oh, let's go after him then. This guy kind of just went a little deeper. All right, guys, between AC and I, he's got a fish right here. Look at this guy, just belly crawling. Watch this. It's just an eye strike jig. One right here. I got another one right here. This guy's right here. So I got that guy right there, who I can still see, and this guy right here. I gotta go get a grub. What am I doing here? You see him again? This guy over here is definitely bigger. Guy, oh, there he's right there. See him right there? Yeah. They've been coming. I saw the two of them. It came right out of this area right here. It's like the creek. They're coming off that creek. I know. All right, I'm gonna do that. Ready? Water temperature is amazing. Well, how many we see, you think? I think we saw
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. We saw one off the rib. Then we saw this 3 right there in the same spot. That's 4. You saw that one down there, that's 5. And I saw the one in that pool before you saw that last one, so that's 6. Yeah. 6 fish. I don't know that we really had any solid chances on them, or they wouldn't really let us play, if you will. They kept hanging in the deep grass. AC dragged one fly in front of one fish's place. I don't know, he didn't really deny you, he just didn't really do anything. He kind of actually chased it, that's right, he came up and chased it. Yeah, and hopefully that's a video, but well, may try tomorrow night. I think it's gonna be flood tide tomorrow night too, so, and a little deeper, we hope. So stay tuned. Later, y'all. All right, guys, we're back out here. Night 2, back-to-back nights out here on the flood tide. More water tonight, right? We're expecting like an extra half foot of water or something, which should put us in prime position. 7:30 high tide, I believe, so we got about an hour and a half before high tide, and then another probably hour on the backside, maybe if we're lucky. Hopefully we get one tonight. Stay tuned, y'all. Hey, you're right. Oh, come on, what is going on with this bail? You're good right there. Say what? Just think this is a nice fish, man. Oh goodness. There's one right there. He hammered that thing. Thanks, dude. AC's working on one right now. He's got one right over there. Fish, what a beauty. Boom. All right, guys.
Skunk's off.
Skunk's off. He was cruising right through here and he went to that grass patch right there, and I just kind of cast past him. As he went around it, I brought the grub in front of his mouth and he just locked up. First one of the season, y'all. Let's go get him. Later.
Finally paid off.
As you just heard the man said, finally paid off. And picked off that one on the rod and reel tonight. AC had a few shots with the fly, just didn't connect. But we're gonna get him that one on a flood tide. He got this brand new skimmer skiff boat about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago, something like that.
5 months ago.
Yeah, 5 months ago. 5 months ago. And we just started getting out on these flood tides, kind of getting used to it and pushing and pulling. I gotta get used to like really pulling for somebody else. I'm used to just walking by myself or being on a kayak. And but what a gorgeous night. Finishing off with this sunset, and appreciate you guys following along. Thank y'all so much. Later.
Good night.